Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Sai Charan and you're watching ENK Learning Now. Today we'll be solving 3 questions, okay? And then we'll be ending medium level questions for this day. So please be patient, okay? So let's start solving. Display the number of duplicate patients based on their first name and last name. See here what they're asking. If both first name and last name were repeated, so we can be considering as duplicates. So we need to know who for who are the patients having the same name. Okay, who are the patients having the same name. So now select from. So now what we can do in such type of things. So we need to know, like, we need to count. Let's say Sai Charan. So two different patients will be having Sai and Charan as the first name, right? It could be happen. It can happen, right? It can happen, right? So we need to know such type of records. So simply we'll be grouping based on first name and last name, and then if we count, if the count is 2, then obviously we can say that there are some duplicates on the first name and last name, right? So grouping, group by, and then there is a condition for group by, right? So having, so from which tables? Patients table, grouping by first name, last name, having count star greater than 1, right? Now first name, last name, count star. So this is a query. Let's check it. Yes, we got correct answer. Let's move on to next question. So our question is display patient's full name, height in units, feet rounded to 1 decimal, weight in unit pounds rounded to 0 decimals, birth rate, gender non-abbreviated. So what is non-abbreviated? Because generally we may write M and F, right? So male for M, F for female, right? But we need male. If it is male, we need MALE. We need to write male, okay, instead of M. If it is female, instead of F, we need to write female. We need to extract like female, okay? So this is what we need, okay? So select from which table we are extracting, from patient's table, okay? So what's our main goal here? So first name. So we have done this many times, right? So concat of first name, comma, last name as full name. So we have done this many times. Now height in the units feet rounded to 1 decimal. So first height in feet. So how we can convert? So to convert height from centimeters to meters, we can divide it by 30.48. We can divide it by 30.48. So now what they're asking is that we need to round it to 1 decimal place. 1 decimal place. So what we can do, we have one functionality called round. So comma 1. This is it as height in feet. So now we got height in feet. Now again they are saying, they are asking for weight in pounds. So here they have given weight in kgs. To convert weight in kgs to weight in pounds, we can multiply the kg weight into 2.205. So we can get weight in pounds. Now they are asking to round for 0 decimals. Round into 0 decimals. So again comma 0, right, as weight in pounds. Now they are asking for birth rate. This is fine, simple, direct. And then now we need to extract as a non-abbreviated one, right? Non-abbreviated. So what we can do? So here, let's say if we encounter capital M, then we should return as male. If we encounter F, we should return it as a female. So this type of cases, what we can do? Case when gender is equals to male, sorry, M, then male, then male. Now when gender is equals to female, then female. So I'm ending these cases and as gender non-abbreviated. So this is the query, overall query. Let's check it then. So syntax error, last name, where it is. Okay, here we missed out the comma, right? So let's check it again. In round off. Okay, here we missed that again, another comma. Yes, we got correct answer. Let's move on to next question. So now show patient ID, first name, last name from patients whose does not have any records in admission table. So the patients are not admitted simply. The patients are not admitted simply. So how we can find this? So here we can solve. So as I said many times that if we have two different tables, we can solve this question by means of subquery as well as joins, right? So today I will help you out with the subquery method and you try it with joins. Okay. Okay. And please type the joins query in comment section. Okay. So let's start solving this. Select from. So show patient ID, first name, right? So firstly, as we need patient ID, comma, first name, comma, last name. From patients who does not have any records. Okay. From patients table where my condition. So we need to know the patients who are not admitted. That is simply their patient ID. Patient's ID were not in admissions table. Simple. Patient ID is not in admission table. This is the query we need to know. So patient ID not in. Now I need a list of rows, list of elements. So that is select patient ID from admissions. So here I'm extracting a column from admissions table of patient ID column from admissions table. So here I am extracting this column, and here so it is forming a list. List of patient IDs who are admitted. Now I am checking patient IDs from patients table who are not in this selected list. Okay, so that's it. If they are not present, we will be selecting. So let's check it. Yes, we got correct answer. So you can try it by using of joins, and please do text the answer in comment section. Please do subscribe and thank you for watching.